we are on video 4 of our home search in the Denver area. Today we are going to talk about that exciting time of starting to look for a home. So now you have your financing in order, you know what your needs and wants are, you have a realtor, so now it's time to head out and look for homes. Something you'll want to do is look for a realtor that has apps that you can use. These days we are all on the move and sometimes it's hard to sit down and get on our desktop to search for a home. The right app will give you things like walk scores, help you find homes as soon as they come on the market, and will give you useful information in regards to schools and neighborhoods. Another thing we want to do when searching for a home is know what to ignore. Things like bright paint colors can be switched out. Things like carpet that maybe is just not your style can be switched out. Things that you can't ignore are things like an awkward floor plan, or if you really want an open living area and the house you look at is kind of boxy, that's probably something that you're not going to change in the future. Going out and looking for a home can be a fun but nerve-wracking experience. You want somebody on your side that will help give you great information and that will help give you advice up front so that you're not wasting your time looking at hundreds of homes that won't just work for you. If you are ready to start looking for your home, contact me today and let's get out there and find you your perfect home.